What if your food could talk to you and actually teach you something? Today, I'll show you how AI can bring fruits, veggies, and even drinks to life right on your screen. Hi, I'm Jessica, and if you've been curious about the latest AI trends, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you step by step how to create talking AI foods like apples, mangoes, and even soda that can educate, entertain, and engage your audience. I'll share 4 top platforms for generating realistic images and 2 tools that turn them into talking videos. By the end of this tutorial, you have everything you need to make your own AI food character come to life. And before we start, make sure to subscribe if you love AI tutorials. Lots of value coming your way. Alright, the first tool we are using is ImageFX. So go to Google, search for ImageFX and log in. Now this is the platform that is going to appear once you are logged in. This is where you are going to put in your prompt for your picture. Now if you want the prompt, it's linked in my description below. The master prompt is there to help you generate your own pictures. Now once you put in your prompt, click right here and choose your aspect ratio. Alright, now click right here again and click on generate. Alright, so it's going to generate 4 pictures for you to choose from. You can click on any of them and choose, slide through and see which one you're okay with. Once you're okay with any of them, you can download it. If you don't want these pictures, you can regenerate it. So I think I'm going to choose this. So just click on the download button right there. Now the next platform we are going to use is Whisk AI. In ImageFX, it's going to give you a prompt up there to choose Whisk AI, alright? Or you can go to Google Chrome and search for Whisk AI. You are going to see it there. Once you are logged in, input your prompt and choose your aspect ratio and click on generate. Alright, once you are okay with the pictures, you click on it and you click on download. As easy as that. Now let's go on to the third image generator, which is Leonardo AI. Once you're in here, log into your account. If you don't have an account, that's fine, you can create a new one. So once you're logged in, click on this and choose Flax content. This right here. Then you are going to choose your aspect ratio. After that, put in your prompt and hit generate. So this is what I got for 16:9. Now I want to change my aspect ratio to 9:16. So you click right there and choose 9:16 and regenerate it again. Okay, this is nice. It looks cute. It's nice. I think I'm gonna use this, maybe. So I'm going back to Whisk to generate another one. This time I want to generate an apple, a very beautiful apple. So one thing about this is you can go in between any of the apps, or any of the websites, and generate any amount of pictures that you want. Now for our last image generator, we are going to use Grok AI. So this is also the platform that we are going to use for our videos. With Grok, you are going to click this right here once you are logged in. Then you are going to put in your prompt. Hit right here to generate, and Grok AI is going to give you a lot of generations to choose from. So that's one thing I like about this platform. Okay, it gives you so many pictures that you wouldn't even know which one to choose from, and it's free. Once you go through and you're still not sure about the pictures, you can regenerate them again, alright, until you're okay with them. So go through the pictures and click on whichever one you like and hit on the download button, and it's going to download straight into your gallery. The next thing we are going to do is generate our videos. Alright, we are going to use this same platform. So click here and click on video. Great. So once you're done, we are going to upload the picture that we chose, and we are going to put in the prompt from ChatGPT. So with the prompt, we are going to make it very simple. You are just going to type the mango said, then you write whatever that you want your mango to say and make it as simple as possible. Once you're done, just hit on the generate button.
Hi, I'm Mango. Eating me helps your immune system fight off germs and keeps your skin glowing.
Now this is perfect. Once you're okay with the video, you are going to click on the download button right here to download your video. Now you can repeat the same process for your other pictures. For example, the cabbage said, then you type in what you want your cabbage to say, as easy as that. Now let's go on to the second video generator. The second video generator is Flow. Now this is also free. Once you are logged into Flow, this is the interface you are going to see right here. Just click on new project, this right here, and it's going to open a different interface for you. So this is what we are going to get. All right, click on the create image if you want to create an image, or click on the text to video if you want to create a video. All right, with this you can also use to create your images as well. So I want to create an example for you lot to see. We can use this for image generation as well. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give me a prompt for a soda can or a soda drink. So once I get my generation, I'm going to copy that and go back to Flow. Once you're done copying it, go back to Flow and paste in your prompt. So when you're done doing that, click on the image instead of the video. All right, click on your aspect ratio as well. All right, so once everything is okay, then you hit on generate. All right, I love this. It gave me two different types of soda drinks, and I think I'm going to use either of them. Okay, and if you want your aspect ratio changed, change the aspect ratio and hit on generate. So the first one I used is more like a thumbnail style, and this would be for either TikTok or Reels. Now I like this. Okay, so if you're okay with it, just hit on the download button. It's going to go straight to your gallery. All right, once you're done with your photo generation, click here. It's going to go back to the main Flow page and you're going to click on new project. Once you're on new project, we are going to click right here and choose our aspect ratio and choose text to video if it's not on text to video. All right, make sure it's always on text to video or image to video, whichever one that you want. In our case, we are going to use image to video. So we are going to click there to upload our image. I'm going to choose this one. Now choose your aspect ratio and hit the generate button. Now go back to ChatGPT and ask for something that our soda can say. All right. Again, make sure you write from the beginning. The soda is saying or the soda said, then you type in whatever you want the soda to say. This is very important. Once you're done, hit generate and let's generate our video. Alright, this is our soda right here. If you're okay with it, hit on the download button. Now you can generate as many times as you want with different pictures. So what they normally do is they put in different pictures, and they put in different videos of either drinks or potato, tomatoes. You can put them together and put it inside a reel. Alright, you can merge them together and make it as a reel.
Hi, I'm Soda. I taste super sweet, but too much of me can hurt your teeth, make you gain weight, and give your tummy a sugar rush.
Hi, I'm Cabbage. I keep your tummy happy, your body strong, and your heart healthy, and eat me to feel fresh.
Hi, I'm Apple. I keep your heart healthy, your digestion smooth, and your body full of vitamins. Eat me every day for a crunchy boost.
And that is it. Now you know how to create talking AI foods that educate and entertain. If you want to try this out, comment below which food character you made. I'd love to see them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tutorial like this. Also, check the description for my master prompts so you can start creating immediately. I'll see you in the next video.